We're having fun with copper today. Copper piping. We just put this joint together, and I felt that it was my duty actually to show you about a new technology that really makes this even easier. I mean, it's pretty easy as it is, but this is a new technology where the copper is actually embedded inside the pipe in a small ring. So you don't even have to use a line of solder like this, of our lead-free solder. You can just clean your joints, put this on, and heat it up. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let's show you. It's very simple. I cleaned off this end. Okay? We still want to use our flux paste. Always got to flux before you solder. Put a little on this joint. Okay? Fit it together. And watch this. I'm just gonna heat this up now, and when you see the copper come through that ring, it's done. Watch. There it is. Flip it over. And there you got it. Look at that.
Keep that on. Just say when you see the solder come through that ring, it's done. You don't have to do it. I just want voice pick up here.
When you see the solder come through the ring here at the end, it's done. How do you like that? As easy as Ma's apple pie.